You wanted to add something about David living in Boston.
Yes, and I would come to visit, and my daughter-in-law knew how interested I was in the new library. So she made a point of taking me there. And we drove from Boston to
Amherst.
It is pretty country, and we go there, and the building is shut up, and there's nobody there. We realized later it was a small holiday, one of the many Jewish holidays. So we missed it. So she's a good sport. The next time she's visiting me, she says, let's go. We're going to see the building. It is now finished. And we drive up, and guess what? There's a sign. It's Erev Yom Kippur or something. It wasn't that. It was something less that we would have known. But again, it's closed. And so I say, okay, let's walk around the building and kind of peek in someplace. And so we did, and we came around, and there was a young man sitting outdoors reading a book or eating a sandwich, something like that. And so I tell him my dilemma, and of course he took us in. So we had a private introduction to the finished project.